Today is the day that the floodgates of heaven have been opened. The drought is finally over. You have reached the promised land, my friend, and it's only going to get better from here because the ground of the promised land is fertile. You could plant any seed and it will grow. You will be able to sow as many seeds as possible with no limit. You could put love here, you could put love there. You could sow an idea there. You could grow your faith there, and you will produce a beautiful, bountiful garden. And that is your only job, is to garden the things that God is going to grow for you so that you can harvest and you can produce even more fruit. And then that provides provision for others. And nobody in your life, in your community, will ever have to worry about money or food ever again. You have been chosen specifically so that you can be provided for and trusted with an amount that most people wouldn't be able to do anything with. They would simply bury their provision in the ground to keep it safe, and that does not please God. He wants you to go out and to multiply and to produce fruit and then to grow even more fruit and to keep tending to this garden. That is your purpose here, and the fruit is a byproduct of that relationship with God. You merely have to plant the seeds and have faith that they will grow, and God will do the rest, and then you get to harvest all the fruit. So make sure that you are sowing seeds of good fruit, not bad fruit or rotten fruit or GMO seeds. You know what I mean. So just know that the promised land is fertile and it's ready and it's waiting for you. If you want to claim this, say, I am ready. Put amen in the comments, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. If you're not, I put out new videos almost every single day just to help you grow closer with God. That is my purpose, and it is such an honor to guide you on this journey. If you want a safe, sacred container to explore your relationship with God safely outside of religious dogma, I invite you to join the Temple Within. It is my online sanctuary on the school platform where we grow closer to God together. So that's linked down below, as well as other options to support this channel. Otherwise, I love you so much, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.